watermelon rice flakes milk smoothie or watermelon rice flakes milkshake. One of the tastiest of the watermelon smoothie recipes and one of the most delicious of the watermelon recipes and one of the most unique of the smoothie recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the rice flakes recipes and one of the most delicious of the healthy smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the rice recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the watermelon recipes. Today we are going to make watermelon rice flakes milk smoothie. We have taken around 150 grams of watermelon cut in pieces, 100 grams of rice flakes, and around 50 grams of sugar. Now put in the sugar and the rice flakes, the flattened rice, into the close and grind well. Put in the watermelon pieces. Close and grind well. Now pour in around 1 ml of milk. Close and grind well. Now the watermelon rice flakes milk smoothie is ready and can be poured into the glasses. Now pour it into the glasses. This is the final watermelon rice flakes milk smoothie or watermelon rice flakes milkshake, one of the tastiest of the watermelon smoothie recipes and one of the most delicious of the watermelon milkshake recipes and one of the most delicious of the rice flakes recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the smoothie recipes and one of the most delicious of the healthy smoothie recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.